this popped up. Whoa, let's see here. I mean, I didn't give it too much info. If I like gave a whole like landing page script, because yeah, this would definitely need to be changed and all that. But this, come on now. And I didn't have to create it myself, get it free. Okay, let's see here. If we publish this, I just want to see what it does. Oh, it even makes an icon and a title. Website info, apply changes. Oh, okay. Okay, view app. All right. Okay, so let's see what happens when I do this. Okay. I mean, I didn't set up an email or anything, but it says, yeah, you're on the list. Check your email for the link. But that hasn't happened. Now the question would be, oh, I love that it has a little thing up here. Now the question is, how do we connect it? Okay. Let's go back over here. Go back to here. All right, let's see. Okay, so move to folder, rename. All right, wonder sites. Does it go anywhere? I don't think so. That will be the next thing I figure out what we can do with it. Because let's see here, let's go. I mean, we want this to work. So let's see here, details. To your tracking system. So let's see here. But I don't know how, I don't know. I'll have to look into this, you guys. This is a new feature, so it's still in beta, and this is in all high level white label. Okay, so remember, like and subscribe. You guys, I found it. It does. It connects right to whatever. I was in the subaccount Kianis, the agency one, and look, it did. It created form submitted. It says the builder opt-in. It gives the landing page. Now, if I wanted to use that landing page, I can. All I need to do now is just set up a workflow and emails. Whoa. Okay. You saw it didn't take very long. Oh my gosh, that is pretty exciting. Pretty darn exciting. Okay. There we go. There's the update. Remember, like, subscribe.